20% larger battery for extended runtime. Compared to Roomba i3 Plus Robot Vacuum. Powerful cleaning. Scheduled around your life. Whether you're relaxing at home or out enjoying life, the Roomba i4 Plus EVO Robot Vacuum takes care of stubborn dirt and messes with a premium 3-stage cleaning system and 10x the powerlifting suction asterisk. Compared to the Roomba 600 series cleaning system. Clean by room, you're in control. Roomba i4 Plus EVO learns your home and creates an imprint smart map so you can direct it to clean any room you want, anytime you want, either on a set schedule or in the moment. Don't lift a finger for months. Now you can forget about vacuuming for months at a time with the Clean Base automatic dirt disposal that allows the i4 Plus EVO to empty itself into an enclosed bag that captures 99% of particles as small as 0.7 microns and holds up to 60 days of cleanings. Precision cleaning in tidy rows. The robot vacuum cleans intelligently in straight lines back and forth, to thoroughly clean your floors while navigating around furniture. When the i4 Plus EVO needs to recharge, it will resume right where it left off, ensuring a complete clean. Focused cleaning you can count on. iRobot's patented Dirt Detect technology allows the Roomba i4 Plus EVO to detect dirtier areas of your home and clean them more thoroughly. Integrated sensors tell the robot where it can and can't fit, so it doesn't get stuck under furniture. Perfect for homes with pets. Instead of using a single bristle brush, Roomba i4 Plus EVO uses dual multi-surface rubber brushes that flex to adjust to different floor types and avoid getting tangled with pet hair. Top reviews from the United States. Nice vacuum. I bought this vacuum at a Black Friday price. I was skeptical when I first put it into service. It got stuck in several places in my home, but after I blocked those places the vacuum has performed very well. My home is about 2,200 square feet with a mix of tile, vinyl plank, and carpet, and the vacuum handles them all well. I am glad I bought the i4 with the larger battery, as the vacuum has to stop to recharge about halfway through the job, which takes about 4 to 4.5 hours. The cell phone app makes it easy to set up and control the vacuum, plus you can see the cleaning history including maps of each job. The edges of rugs sometimes turn up and cause the vacuum to turn in another direction, but it gets covered in another pass of the vacuum. Cleaning power is good overall. Hair and larger pieces don't seem to bother it much. Overall, very pleased with my purchase.